Insert the SD card for the camera before connecting the devices. Make sure your SD card is formatted as FAT32 and purchased from an official channel.
The camera is now ready to begin pairing.
Both cameras are now connected to the app. When you insert a SD card to battery camera, the storage setting option will appear in the settings. You can see the usage of the card. No additional settings are required. The event recording mode of the SD card has been automatically on. It will start recording when camera detects movement or when you are watching live feed. You can watch the recorded video in playback, and find the video at the time you want by zooming in and dragging the timeline. When you insert a SD card to powered camera, the storage setting option will appear in the settings. You need to turn on recording switch and choose a recording method: event recording or non-stop recording. Then find the recorded video in playback.